This is how to set the clock on your Kia Picanto. This is a 2013 model, but as long as you've got that stereo set up, they should all be the same. So we're going to start with the radio on, turn the volume off. Radio on, down here, set up clock, press once, using the dial, scroll around to clock, press the middle, OK, 12:24, depending on which way you want it. Auto, it'll tune to the RDS, so as long as you tune to an RDS channel at this point, it will set it automatically. If you want to change it manually, round to time, press the button, and then using the knob, as you can see, this one's 24-hour at the moment, and then press it again to OK it, twist it around. You can go backwards and forwards, press OK, and now that's set. If you want to do it on the RDS, menu, clock, and then go to auto, press the OK, turn it on or off. We want it on, and we can go back, and that will now tune to the RDS when it gets a signal from the radio station. Those are your two different ways. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.